I see Predator. What's a baby?
He's wearing spaghetti.
Yeah,
Is it good? Do you like that spaghetti? Ugh.
Why did he love bakery? Why did he got lost?
Well, he has lots because he's a big eater.
Why?
Why? Well, babies are big eaters. I think he's getting ready to grow some more. Babies are like inchworms. They get big and round and then they get long and skinny.
Ow.
Is it good?
I'm getting bigger. You.
Me?
No. When you're only so big, you get. When you're grown, you're grown.
Yep, I'm all done growing.
Daddy's nose will keep growing, and his ears possibly.
Yeah, what is bigger? Way bigger?
Nope, I'm all done growing bigger.
No more growing bigger. Hi.
Going bigger too. I'm going.
You look happy.
James.
What, baby?
James.
You sure did. On your plate? Who gave you that plate? Gigi Blue Car? She sure did. I'd say this is his favorite meal, except for he likes all meals.
Good stuff, huh?
He's a big eater. He's a good eater. You're being a good eater too. Look at all yours is gone. Look at you. Good job.